There are a couple of different types of views. If we want to have a std array or a std vector, its view is std span. If we have a std string, its view is std string view. Very creatively named. If we want to have like an int or a float or other basic variables, it's viewed by a reference. So what the heck does that mean? Let's write a really simple little swap function. So void swap. It's going to take an int a and int b and swap them. Comment out all this. We're going to make int a equals 5, int b equals 7, and then we're going to swap a, b, and then we're going to std cout a equals a, std cout b equals b, and nothing should happen. We should have a equals 5, b equals 7, because our swap function does nothing. So let's add int temp equals a equals b equals temp. So we need to store a somewhere else, override it with b, and then we can overwrite b with the thing we stored somewhere else. Very basic swap function. And nothing changed. That's because these variables only exist inside swap. They go on the stack, we swap them around, and then they poof out of existence. What we instead want is we want a view to these variables in main. How do we get a view to an int variable? Make it a reference. So the ampersand makes this a view. So now, instead of getting a copy of the variables, we're going to look at the variables that exist in main.